Hi guys, and welcome to Travel with Ketan. Today we'll have a book reading of my book, Three Men Ride Again, The Amigos Ride to Spiti. This is the second book in the Three Men series. The first one was a book called Three Men on Motorcycles, The Amigos Ride to Ladakh. And after Ladakh, the next year in Feb, me and Delzad went on a Royal Enfield ride to Rajasthan. It was a very fantastic ride. We explored a good bit of Rajasthan. We started from Jaipur, then we went to Jodhpur. We discovered places like the Rat Temple, the famous Rat Temple. Then we went to Longewala, the place where the famous war in the Indo-Pak War of 1971 was fought. The movie Border was filmed ostensibly at that location. We went to the sand dunes of Dum. We discovered Kumbhalgarh, the fantastic marble temple of Ranakpur. That place has some really kick-ass carvings. And of course, the Bullet Baba temple, which uh, which is a very strange kind of place where the story is pretty long. The point being, one guy who died on a bullet accident is his bullet is kept there and is worshipped for some strange reason. Yeah, but whatever. A temple to bullet is always a good thing, right? We left the group at Ajmer and decided to go to the Magnificent Music Festival of Rajasthan. It's a fantastic festival which is held in the sand dunes of Sam, which is near Jaisalmer. So we'll be going back to Jaisalmer from Ajmer, and that is where this story starts. So remember, we have just left the group. We have just left the ride of Rajasthan, and this is it. Three Men Ride Again. Prologue. Chug, 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 chug. Our machine screamed as we rode down the desert highway in Rajasthan. It was brilliant riding. It was February, so there was a nip in the air. But the sun was out and the sky was clear and blue, with wide puffy clouds punctuating the expanse. The visibility was awesome. You could see the road stretching out right in front of you, ahead till the horizon. It was a black strip running through the desert, and there was no civilization to be seen anywhere. We had been riding for hours and hours, but there was no fatigue in us. The bike was running smoothly, and with that endless road and the breeze whooshing by, it sometimes felt as if we were standing still, and it was the landscape which was just passing by us. I glanced my mirror and saw that Delzad was right on my tail. He was in a trance, a riding trance, and looked very relaxed and happy, just enjoying the long ride and the feel of the bike below him. He looked like a man who had nothing on his mind except his helmet. I checked my gauge and saw that we had done good time. We were well on schedule. Yes, all was going as per plan. And suddenly, out of the corner of my eye, I saw one brown blip. Chotu, this big. And in a matter of nanosecond, it was getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And the a deer! A deer sprinting across the fucking highway just as we are sprinting down that same highway. We are going straight, the deer is coming right across. And I had no time to think at all. My subconscious just took over and I veered sharply and avoided the deer. What the fuck? Bang! I heard a big noise. What the fuck? I looked in the mirror and saw that Superman had come to town. Yay! Superman! Then I thought, no, it's not necessarily Superman, right? It could be any hero who flies. It could be Iron Man, Thor, it could even be Shaktiman, if you want to be Indian. All I'd seen was a flying man. But then I thought this flying man was wearing a helmet and a jacket. It looked like he weighed 100 kilos. Shit! It was Dilzad! Dilzad had gone flying. He had swerved to avoid the deer. He had lost control of the bike. He had crashed and he had gone flying. Hard he fell. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I screeched to a halt, fishtailed wildly with the sudden brake, turned the bike around, and raced back to Dilzad. Are you okay, dude? Are you okay? What the hell was that? He was like stunned. He replied after some time, and then he tried to get up and he groaned, "Oh, my knee is broken." Well, fuck. I looked around the deserted landscape. Desert on both sides. Empty black strip of tarmac. Nobody to be seen around for miles on either side. Fuck. Well, that's all for this segment, guys. Stay tuned for the next chapter in Three Men Ride Again. And obviously, subscribe, press that button, and go to my website, ketanjoshi.net, where you can see all my books, all my blogs, my podcast, and the photo galleries. Cheers. See you for the next chapter.
ये बुलेट मेरी जा मंजिलों का निशान